how much space is actually on my. All right. So, after this weekend talking about nuclear energy and poison fire, I got really interested in kind of what is the physical processes behind nuclear energy. And also I thought it was kind of relevant because in this elemental paradigm that we've been working in, we went through earth and air, and now we're at fire. So in the context that Joanna Macy was talking in of poison fire, that I think there's a lot of relevancy. And as I got into it deeper, I think that there's even more relevancy than I realized to begin with. Let's think about fire. What do you associate archetypally with fire or energetically? What does it represent?
Warmth. Passion. Is that just very outwards?
Yeah. Where we're going?
Transformation.
Vision quest.
Vision quest.
I also associate it with gatherings and like community.
Yeah. Sitting with the fire at night and have like a thing. Ceremony.
Gathering, it's a ritual, purifying.
Yeah, and a lot of those archetypally, historically, ancestrally are all very true, and some of them like lead into each other because a lot of ceremony is either about purifying or transformation. Vision quest, likewise, same sort of thing. And what I think is interesting about the element fire itself and the processes that happen in processes of transformation are that they can be both creative and destructive. So a lot of what we talked about this weekend was sort of this destructive element of this poisonous thing, this thing that breaks down, that kills, that contaminates, that just brings harm. But there's other aspects that build creativity, that feed creation. There's stories about, there's different elements even, or aspects of nature that are activated by fire. So in forests, some pine cones won't be fully able to start their regeneration process until they reach a certain temperature and they like crack open, and then they actually root and will start growing. There's also different types of fungus that actually I have a story about that y'all will read this week about that is activated through fire and becomes medicinal when it experiences forest fires. So keep that in your minds.
They also regenerate the forest and allow new dirt from the understory.
And I think also every creative process involves some distraction along the way, like
Yeah, but these two that there's not, they're not always separate. That lots of times it's some kind of like cyclical process.
It reminds me of like the phoenix, how when it gets old, it bursts into flames and then it's reborn.
Yes, there's many archetypal patterns that can fit in that fire story. Fire elements. Fire dance. Fire dance, I can't take pictures of that.
Yeah.
Got it.
Nice.
So we're diving into nuclear energy. Have to start with a little nuclear physics 101,
Yep.
chemistry 101, and actually bouncing off of that idea. Let me look onto that. Yeah, so we'll start with the nucleus. I'm gonna actually try to like write small and go all the way across. It's a new activity. I don't know if I spelled that right. But it's nucleus.
There's no O.
The nucleus. So the nucleus is made up of nucleons.
Nucleons. Nucleons.
Which are protons, which have positive charge. And neutrons, which have no charge, neutral. But they're roughly the same weight. So they're really similar, but not exactly the same. It's kind of an interesting thing, like, why? Why? And so in the atom, inside, I made the neutron is a little bit heavier, so I made it a little bit bigger. Neutrons are the protons from the nucleus, and then the electrons, which are much smaller, and they have the negative charge, circle around the outside. So in typical notation, you'll see